Want to log into NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First, you want to open the YouTube app on your phone, or you can do this on your smart TV or any streaming device. Or you can also head over to youtube.com in your browser. Now make sure you're signed in with the Google account you used to purchase NFL Sunday Ticket. If not, you want to tap on the profile icon. Then tap on the switch account option. Now choose the right account. Next, go to NFL channel. Or you can also search NFL Sunday Ticket. You should see the Sunday Ticket hub with your subscribed games. If prompted, confirm your location or grant location access. This is required for blackout rules and local game access. Once you're in, you can watch any live game included in your plan, switch between multiple streams, or catch on replays. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.